Hey students, this is meant to be a super simple video on how you are going to upload documents into your MaiaDrive and also how you're going to be able to access documents that you request. And so what I'm going to do here is be on my dashboard, and then I need to go down to MaiaDrive. And you may or may not have things that are already in here. If you went to our transcript form and you requested an unofficial transcript, this is where we're going to upload it. But in this case, I want to be able to share with my counselor my personal statement and my resume in order to tell you a little bit about me before you complete my counselor recommendation documents. And so in order to do that, I'm in MaiaDrive. I'm going to go up here to where it says new, and I'm going to upload a file. Hopefully you have things pretty set up on your computer that you're on, or at least you're able to download it off of the cloud and then re-upload it to where you need to be, especially if you're on a school computer. So I'm going to click here in order to add a file. It's going to take me to my documents, and I'm going to go down to downloads where I have it saved. And here I have my resume. And so I'm going to double click. It's in PDF format. That's super important. PDF is readable. JPEGs and other image docs are not. I can rename or I can describe what it is that I'm working with. The most important thing here is to make sure that it is visible for the person that's going to be looking at it, which is me. So I'm going to make this visible for all counselors or visible with the selected, and I can go ahead and I can name people that I want to make this visible for. For example, people that maybe I'm asking for letters of recommendation. But if I just go here to all counselors, I, Mrs. Anitama, your post-study counselor, will be included. I'm going to click Save, and then I'm going to click Add File. And when I do this, I'm able to use the MaiaDrive in the way that it's been designed for. And here is my resume. And so I can now go in as your counselor and access what that document looks like and use it in writing your counselor recommendation. You repeat the same steps for uploading your personal statement, for uploading maybe your cover letter if that's what you need as well. But it's just meant to be this one-stop shop that we can access everything it is that we need in order to support you on your journey. All right. Thanks, everyone. Have a good one. Aloha.